Gentlemen, I have blind bought my very first Xerjoff fragrance and I'm going to unbox it for you right now and give you my very first impressions and opinions about this very fragrance right here. Let's not waste any more time and let's begin this video. This is the white box that initially comes in, and there is another box inside. And as you can see, gentlemen, it is the Iommi Monkey Special right here on the box. I have thought about getting this fragrance for a very long time, not only because there's something special inside the box other than the fragrance itself, but I have looked on Fragrantica a lot of times in terms of what notes it has and seen some other people's opinions, including some friends of mine who already have this fragrance here. So let's peel off this seal. No return if this label is broken. Let's open this bad boy up, and inside this box is yet another box. It is right here, and I'm not going to open it up because I have seen some horror stories of people's bottles falling out. It looks incredible. I love Xerjoff's packaging. It feels and looks so incredibly expensive and luxurious. Let's open it up, and here is the awesome item that you also get with the fragrance, which I will show you shortly. And here is the bottle. It is beautiful. So not only do you get the fragrance itself, but you get this little booklet here that says Xerjoff on it for Iommi, with a few pages of what the fragrance contains, something about the Black Sabbath and the band that Iommi is from, including a picture of the limited edition, the bottle that is signed by Iommi, with an exclusive Xerjoff guitar pin, which I think is such a cool little collectible item to own. I think it's such a cool touch that is included with this fragrance as well. Enough talk, let's finally have a look and sniff of Xerjoff Iommi. Whoa, this bottle feels hefty. Oh my god. And there's also some tab that you can pull out here, which is a nice touch also, but I'm going to put the box away just for a little bit now to finally have a sniff of this fragrance. Everything feels so sturdy and of high quality. This cap feels incredible as well. Well, let's have a sniff of Xerjoff Iommi. Great atomizer as well. This stuff is dark. I was so scared to blind buy this because I've heard some incredible stuff about this fragrance, but I was also scared because I know it can be off-putting for a few people out there. But this is right up my alley. This smells incredible. This is complex, dark, deep, boozy, earthy, and it has such an interesting and unique combination of rose, rum and passion fruit at the top, which smells super amazing, and the depth of the patchouli in the base that is also highlighted in that little booklet I showed you earlier. Oh, this fragrance is incredible. Wow, I am so happy to have picked this up. This is super dark and complex, and if you like fragrances that are rich in the scent profile, that are boozy, dark and possibly divisive, this might be something for you. It dries down to being this very smooth, very clean patchouli with some dark, earthy, almost chocolatey undertones, but it's very minor. It still has this slight cloud of booziness from the rum at the top. Wow, this fragrance did not disappoint. This smells incredible. This is most definitely a fall and winter season kind of fragrance, and especially for very special occasions when you're going out to impress, when you're going out to really make a statement by the fragrance that you're wearing. This is not something you want to wear on a daily basis. This smells absolutely incredible. I am so happy that I picked this up, and I do not regret one single thing. They smell super interesting, incredible, complex. This is right up my alley as a fragrance enthusiast, and this has been a complete success, a huge dub. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Before I end this video, I want to quickly mention how expensive this fragrance was. I got a 10% discount from gents.com because I was a first time customer, and I got this fragrance for $223, which I think is actually a decent price when you think about the price at Xerjoff's own website, which was around 275 euros, which is slightly more than what I got this bottle for. I also purchased a few samples of some popular amazing niche fragrances, which made the total amount slightly more than I paid for this fragrance. But I think $223 is an incredible price that I got this amazing, stunning, high quality fragrance for. I am really not disappointed, and I am super happy that I made this purchase right here. Xerjoff, amazing stuff right here. I'm going to discover a few more of your fragrances in the near future, that's for sure. Gentlemen, did you enjoy this type of sporadic and interesting type of video where I blind buy a fragrance that I have never tried before, just because of the hype and anticipation that there is for a fragrance like this? Leave it a like and comment down below if you have tried Tony Iommi Monkey Special before, or if there's some other fragrances that you want me to check out that you think I will like and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, gentlemen, don't forget to again smash the like button and subscribe to the Men's Improvement YouTube channel for more videos about fragrances, grooming, style, fashion, skincare, fitness, watches, lifestyle, anything that will make you, gentlemen, the best possible versions of yourselves. The last few things I want to ask you, gentlemen, is to smile more because it's free, and I want you to watch these two videos right here. This one here below is going to be my latest upload, whereas this one up here is going to be a video that the YouTube algorithm thinks you will enjoy.